Hello, fourth grade. I miss seeing all of your smiling faces in class. I'm going to help you with the fraction work that you've been doing this week. We are going to start with lesson 10-1, which is on finding fraction of a set. We're going to start on page 137, and we're going to do a few problems for you. I'm going to start with number 2 on 137, which asks you to find 2/6 of 18. So let's write that down. Number 2, we need to do 2/6 of 18. So the first thing we need to do is have 18 counters, which I have counted out right here. I have 18. And since we're finding 2/6, I need to have 6 circles, because that's my denominator, so 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'm going to put beans in each one using all of my 18. I know I have 18 and 6 circles, so 18 divided by 6 is 3. I can put 3 beans inside of each circle. Okay, so I have 3 beans in each circle. Each circle represents 1/6. It is asked, so 1/6 of 18 is 3. 1/6 of 18 equals 3. But this problem asks me to find 2/6 of 18. So that means I need to do 2 circles. Each circle has 3 in it. So 2/6 of 18 would be 3 times 2, which is 6. So 2/6 of 18 equals 6. Now if you look on page 139, number 6 is similar. Number 6 is 5/6 of 18. It's the same number of beans, the same number of circles. Okay, I still had 18 beans, and I need to divide them into sixths. So I did that, but this time I need 5 of the sets, because my numerator is 5. So I have 3 beans for each sixth, times 5 would equal 15. So 5/6 of 18 equals 15, because there are 3 in each set, and I need 5 sets. So 5/6 of 18 equals 15. Now we'll go back to page 137 to number 3. Right, number 3 is asking us to find 4/5 of 25. 4/5 of 25. So I have my 18 beans, but I need to get out 7 more so that I will have 25 to do 4/5 of 25. 4/5 of 25. So I need to have 25 beans in all. So here are my 25 beans that I have those, and I need to have 5 sets, because that's my denominator. So I'm going to draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And since I have 25 beans, and I'm dividing them into 5 sets, I should have 5 beans in each set, because 25 divided by 5 is 5. So there's 5 there. There's 5 there. There's 5. There we have 5 there, and 5. So I can see that each set has 5. So 1/5 of 25 would be 5. 1/5 of 25 equals 5. But I need 4/5, which means I need 4 sections. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, or 4 times 5. So 4/5 of 25 equals 20. All right, we'll do one more problem, number 7 on page 139, which asks us to find 3/4 of 28. 3/4 of 28. So I need to get 3 more beans, because I had 25, so now I have 28, and I'm doing 3/4, so I have to have 4 sets. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And 28 divided by 4 is 7. So I will put 7 beans in each circle. putting 7 in each one because 28 divided by 4 is 7. Okay, there's 7 in each one now. So 1/4 of 28 would be 7, but I need 3/4. So I need to have 3 of my sets. So 3 times 7 equals 21. So 3/4 of 28 equals 21. So basically what we're doing, if you don't have beans, is you are taking your whole number and you're dividing it by the denominator. So 28 divided by 4 equals 7. That's my first step. 28 divided by 4 equals 7. And then I take that answer and multiply it times my numerator. That answer tells me how many beans are in each set. 7 times 3 equals 21. All right, let's try one more without the beans. So number 5 asks me to find 2/3 of 36. 2/3 of 36. So 36 is my whole number. I have to divide it by the denominator. That would tell me how many sets I have. 3 sets. And if I divide 36 divided by 3, that will tell me how many are in each set. And 36 divided by 3 equals 12. And then my numerator tells me I want to know 2 out of the 3 sets. So I'd have to do 12 times 2 equals 24. So 2/3 of 36 equals 24.